This little dog is going to get transformation on her ears. Right now they are just kind of one length. They're long and they're like kind of, you can see, heavy, and they stick out a lot. So I'm going to change it up. She's been like this for a long time and the owner wants something different. So she hasn't been bathed or anything. She just came in. So I'm going to wash her, dry her, and show you how I change her ear style. I can't wait. I'm very excited. Alright, so she's all washed and dried. I clipped her all over. I'm just going to do her ears. So what I'm going to basically do is cut them shorter. Her actual ear is way up here. She's got all this excessive hair. So the owner wants them short. So what I've done is I combed it all out. I find where the end of the actual ear is, which is up here, and then I'm just going to cut some length off, like that. And then what I do, put your head up, honey, is I kind of fold the ear like inwards. Okay, then I'm just going to trim some more. Now the reason for folding the ear is because when you let it go, it creates a little bevel. It's not the straightest bevel because she's not sitting straight and allowing me to do what I need to do, but she's a pretty good doggy. So you kind of created a bevel. I'm just going to follow that bevel. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. So there's one way you can make the ear shorter and rounded, but I'm going to go shorter than that. I am going to, let's see, baby. Okay, stop turning your head, honey. Stop turning your head. Just going to pick up her ear, comb it out, and get all this hair from behind. Then I'm going to comb it forward and get all that hair off. That's pointing forward. Let's see if we've already got a shorter ear. Let's see. Okay, I know, don't keep looking at me though. You gotta look this way. It's already getting cute. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. Shorter. And then just keep doing what I was doing. Just comb it forward. And go around. And kind of just like bevel the ends here. Alright, now it's still kind of long, like on the outside. So I'm going to take my chunkers, here, turn this way. I'm going to take my chunkers and just get all that fuzzy stuff off. And now the ears won't like stick out as much as they were. They were really sticking out. This is a nice ear. Thinned it out quite a bit. So that's one way I can do the ear. Another way is very simple. I'll show you on the other ear. But you can see, where's the end of the ear? I might just trim it actually a touch shorter. Just follow the outline again. see the difference. See the difference with this ear? Look at all that hair. And then, see the difference here? Much easier. Look at that. I think it's cute. Make you look like a puppy again. Another way, which is quicker, is just use your comb attachment on your clipper. This is NA. I started with the longer length, just so it doesn't go shorter than the other side. You can always adjust it, and I just come down the ear like this. This is a lot quicker. And just find the length again, and just trim it around. And she's got a lot of hair back here. See how much quicker that was? And just pull that like that. That hardly took any time at all. Make sure they look the same though. Right? Two different ears. Oh, and then if I see something on her face, I trim that. Anything sticking out. Oh, you look so much better. So much better. Take that off. There. There, isn't that cute? So let's turn her around. Come on, sweetie. Do they look the same? I always check that, of course, to make sure they're the same length. And just trim all the sticky outies. Oh, you look how cute you look. It's adorable. Look over here. So there she is, looking much better. Look how cute her ears are compared to what they look like in the beginning. And then what I do is I just take my thinning shears and kind of blend any, you know, sharp lines that I see or anything that needs to be fixed up. But what do you think? And then I'll, you know, whatever I see, I will go over, even her face or anything like that, but especially her ears, because this is an ear video. Anyways, what do you think? Is that cute or what?